Hello again, guys. This is part 2 of the double envelope mail day. So in the first video we had a lot only French banknotes, different years. This envelope contains a mixed world banknotes, so I think this is the more exciting video to watch. So let's begin. Open the envelope. Look at these beauties. So we don't miss anything. I had some months now that I didn't buy so much banknotes in on lot. These are circulated, damaged banknotes that I will resell them on in different lots and sets. So, and if I like one or two banknotes, I will keep them for my own banknote collection, my world banknote collection, and that's how I make the world banknote collections. I don't care if are circulated or aren't circulated. I just want to have as much for country as I like. So let's begin. The first one is the 20 leva from Bulgaria, the socialist period. This is the series that I like the most and is on my top 10 favorite banknote designs. This is the series from 1974. I like the series from 1951 also. We have here from Gambia 5 Dalassis. Gambia, an African country. We have here the common 100 drachma. I have many drachmas. And another 100 drachma, but it has seen better days, I think. Of course, I will resell. The beautiful £1 from Cyprus, pre-Euro, year 2001. I collect all of the Cypriot banknotes, so this will go straight on my European banknote collection. Another 2 leva from Bulgaria. I think this is 1974, I don't remember. Yes, 1974. 50 leva from Bulgaria. This is one of the most beautiful series, 1951 Bulgarian leva. But this is heavily circulated and very damaged. This is a foreign certificate from China. Foreign exchange certificate, 10 fan. I collect this kind of certificates. An old 100,000 Turkish lira. From the 80s, 90s. 500,000 lira from Turkey, 1,000 Italian lira, this is the year, I think this is from the 80s, 1982. 5 francs from France, 1933. Another old Turkish lira, 100,000, 250,000 Turkish lira. The beautiful 10 rupees from Sri Lanka. I really like the Sri Lankan banknotes. I collect them all, so this will go to my collection, even it is heavily circulated. I really like the design. An old undamaged 2 leva from Bulgaria. Another one, the old hyperinflative banknote series, 5,000 dinars. Another Turkish lira, 100 drachma from Greece, 1,000 Turkish lira from the 70s. Another Turkish, another Greek, 100. This is from Egypt, 10 piastres. Yes. Another beautiful Cypriot pound. It will go to my collection. Another Bulgarian 2 leva. And this is another country that I like to collect the banknotes. Is the Thailand baht. Circulated, but I will keep for my collection for Thailand. And another one, the 100 baht from Thailand. Very beautiful design. Another $5 from Gambia. Old 1,000 dinars from Yugoslavia. Bulgarian leva, 20 leva, 1974. This is Colombian pesos, 2,000 pesos. Beautiful. Another South American banknote from Peru, 10 nuevos soles. I think I don't have this banknote, so I will keep this banknote for my collection. I don't care if it's circulated or not. If I don't have, then I kept. The first series of the first years of democracy from Bulgaria, 20 leva, 1991. The old leva, one lev. Another beautiful Cypriot pound from 2001 goes to my collection. $10 from Gambia. very old Yugoslavian dinars, 100,000. Another one, 5,000. 5 leva, Bulgaria. A tiny one, 5 lire from Italy. The monarch Vittorio Emanuele III. I think this is from from the 30s. Let me see. I can't see the date, but I know this banknote is from the 30s. Greek drachma, beautiful, 100 francs from Belgium. This is kind of rare banknote of this, on these big lots of banknotes. I have this banknote in uncirculated condition in my collection. Another Greek 100 drachma, another Yugoslavian, another Bulgarian one, another Yugoslavian, and we have here 2 more or 3 Chinese foreign certificates. This is the 1 yuan from 1980, and you can see here the Chinese wall, the famous Chinese wall. Another from Yugoslavia, from Greece. This 100 is from 1967. Another Turkish, 250,000, Yugoslavia. 5 Dalasses from Gambia, and this is 200 Baisa from Oman. And if you have watched some of my other videos or of my collections, the Omani banknotes are in the top 10 of my favorite banknotes. Overall, I love Arab banknotes. For me are the most beautiful banknotes. But the Omani one, the Kuwaiti and Bahraini are the most beautiful. So of course I will keep this 200 Baisa for my collection. 100 drachmas, another 100 drachmas. We have here 5,000 rupiah from Indonesia. Gambia, another 5 Dalasses. Another Greek drachma, Yugoslavia, 20,000 dinars. Another Greek. Another Turkish. We have here Indonesia, the 1,000 rupiah, another one. Singapore, $1. Singapore also is somehow difficult to get in this kind of lots, so this will go to my collection. Singapore has a beautiful design. 50,000 rupiah. I don't have this banknote. You guessed it, it will go to my collection of Indonesian banknotes. Another one, 1,000 from Indonesia, and another one from the Gambia. So guys, this was the second video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it because I had a time that I didn't had such a great unboxing. So these are the banknotes that I will resell on eBay in different lots, and these are the banknotes that I have extracted that will go to my personal collection from Europe, Asia, Africa, whatever. So this is the how I build my world banknote collection. As I said before, I don't care if are circulated. These are fair, to be part of anyone's collection. So for me, it's okay, are good. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on and ask me on the comments below. Give it a like the video, and if you are new, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Have a nice day.